Jagannath Madhari University and BDA questions and answers. Which system ensures accurate data collection for crop production and follows data protection laws for farmers? Information. Answer: AgriStack system. 2. Which system introduced by NIFTEMK helps reduce post-harvest losses in perishable food transportation using solar power and lot technology? Answer: Sarathi system. 3. How many new wheat varieties has the Indian Institute of Wheat and Barley Research started distributing? Answer: 13. 4. Which rice variety is being promoted by the government as a variable alternative to Pusa 44 to address the issue of pharma fires in Punjab and Haryana? Answer: Pusa 2090. 5. What is the primary purpose of the Krishi Nivesh portal? Answer: agriculture investments and support farmers. 6. Which place is known for the betel leaf that received a geographical indication or GI tag? Answer: Kumbakonam. 7. In which city is the traditional Saudagari block print craft practiced and recently awarded of a GI tag? Answer: Ahmedabad. 8. Which state in India did the Chief Minister associated with the early onset of the Iron Age dating back 5,300 years? Tamil Nadu. 9. Where was the statue of Thiruvalluvar unveiled? Answer: Philippines. 10. Which ministry has launched the culinary crafts and cliques, moods and magic festival? Answer: Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. 11. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of Growth at the National Payments Corporation of India? Answer: Sohini Rajola. 12. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority? Answer: Shiva Subramaniam Raman. Who has been honored with the prestigious Uttar Pradesh Annual Ratan Award? Answer: Nikhil Singhal. 14. Who has officially assumed the role of the Managing Director at CPCL? Answer: H. Shankar. 15. Who has been appointed as the whole-time member or life of the Insurance Regulatory and Development